and welcome to the channel. If you're new, I'm Alyssia and I am so happy you're here. Today I have got some foil packet dinners to share with you. I first shared these earlier in the year in a meal prep video and you guys wanted more, so I figured why not do a whole video with some ideas. You are going to see 4 here, and I've got a free ebook with all of these dinners as well as 2 more. So you get 6 total that you can get using the link in the description. It doesn't cost you anything. So what are foil packet dinners? Pretty much, you season the components of your meal, put them into a packet of foil, and voila! You can meal prep them for a couple of days in advance, or you can make them the night of, and the foil packet goes straight into the oven, easy peasy. Now, if you aren't a foil fan, you can still use these recipes and just bake them on a sheet pan over a parchment using the same recipe and the same bake time. First up, I have got a barbecue chicken pineapple bowl. It starts by brushing down the chicken with some barbecue sauce. I use one that has less added sugar, but you can use whatever you prefer. Then I toss fresh pineapple, sweet potato cubes, broccoli, and garlic cloves with oil, garlic powder, onion powder, paprika, and salt and pepper. Time to pack them. I have found 2 pieces of foil helps me leave a little bit more space at the top. I distribute the veggies into 4 packets, followed by the chicken breast, and then I can close it up. Now, there is no magic method for closing it, but if you can seal it shut while also leaving some space up top for the steam to gather, then it helps to cook. All of these meals roast at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, easy peasy. Until the chicken is cooked through, use a thermometer to check if you're uncertain. It should be 165 degrees Fahrenheit. And the vegetables should be tender. So easy! And in one meal, I have protein, veggies, and carbs. That barbecue sauce is only on the chicken, but because it's steaming in that packet, the veggies get a hint of the natural sweetness too. It is so fun. I am excited to share 3 more foil packet dinners with you, but I've got to remind you to subscribe to the channel for more healthy recipes, free ebooks, and meal prep videos because I have got so much coming for you this fall. And don't forget to hit the bell so you actually get the notifications. Okay, next up, sesame, salmon, and veggies. I start by mixing together some oil, coconut aminos or soy sauce if preferred, and some avocado oil, as well as a pinch of salt depending on your soy sauce sodium situation, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Transfer to a bag or a dish with the salmon fillets to marinate for 30 minutes to an hour. You don't really want to marinate fish for longer than that. Remove the fillets and toss your vegetables with that remaining marinade. It is good stuff and it doesn't need to be wasted, along with a little bit more avocado oil and salt. I used green beans and mushrooms because they cook up more quickly and the salmon is going to take less time in the oven. Onto the foil the veggies go, followed by the salmon and some sesame seeds. Close the packets, sealing, but again leaving a little bit of space for the steam to gather, and roast until the fish is flaky as desired. I think seafood works super well in these foil packet dinners, and it's so fast. I served this with meal prepped quinoa, which made for a balanced meal with carbs, protein, healthy fats, and veggies. I've got another seafood option, lemon pesto shrimp and veggies. First, I simply toss shrimp with pesto. I do have a video sharing my homemade pesto without dairy. If you want it, I'll link it below. And then I toss my veggies of choice. I used zucchini, bell pepper, cherry tomatoes, and corn kernels. You can use fresh, canned, or frozen, with some oil, salt, and pepper, and a bit of lemon juice. Add the vegetables to the foil, followed by lemon slices and the shrimp. Close the packets and roast until the shrimp are pink and opaque. This might be my favorite one of the day. Not only are the shrimp perfectly tender, not rubbery at all, but the vegetables are just tender enough without being overdone. It is so simple, light, and fresh. Last, I'm sharing a Mexican tofu bowl. Meatless Monday, anyone? I pressed the tofu before cutting it into cubes to get out as much of the moisture as I could. Then I tossed bell peppers, onion, and jalapeno with tofu cubes, avocado oil, and taco seasoning. It's so easy. Into the packets they go, and then into the oven. In the meantime, you can make your yellow rice, or I prefer to have it meal prepped because it is easy to reheat, and rice lasts a week when prepped, so it's a great meal prep food. This is so good as is, but I love it with the yellow rice. You could totally serve it on its own or with any other grain, and it is also great with avocado. And there are your foil packet dinners. Check out my sausage and veggies packet in my older Sprouts meal prep video, which I have linked below, and all of these recipes plus my oven foil packet steak and potatoes recipe are in the free ebook linked in the description box. If you want more recipes like this, let me know what you would like to see in the comments. Thank you so much for being here. I will see you next week, and remember, it's all a matter of mind over munch.